Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss a topic of your syllabus, advertisement. Advertisement nowadays has entered in every aspect of our life. There has not been any area where we do not see any advertisement. If it is a matter of providing information, if it is a matter of buying or selling anything, if it is a matter of missing anything, any person, any pet. So, for each and every purpose in our life, we use advertisement. So, an advertisement is a kind of public notice asking for or offering service or buying and selling property, goods, etc., or providing information about missing persons, pets, etc. So, students, in our syllabus, there are two kinds of advertisements. One is classified and another is display type, so-called commercial type of advertisements. Mostly students, it is very difficult for us to draw display type advertisements. So mostly the students, they try to attempt classified advertisements. So this is very simple. So first of all, we shall be discussing what type of classified advertisements are there in our syllabus, we can say, or generally which are attempted, or the questions of which are there in our CBSE board examination. So first type is situation vacant or situation wanted. If any vacancy is lying vacant in any institution, organization, university, school, and then situation vacant is there. If you are unemployed, you are retired, or you are seeking any part-time job, so then the situation becomes wanted, situation wanted actually. There may be another type, lost and found. So many articles in our life, sometimes we lose it, maybe a wallet, maybe any important document, sometimes briefcase is lost. So we can prepare an advertisement and it is published in the newspaper. Sale and purchase can be used for many purposes like property, vehicle, and so many other things, even home furniture, your second-hand home furniture, and your LEDs, many electrical gadgets which we think that now have been discarded by the family and it is to be sold out. That's why we prepare a advertisement in classified. Accommodation wanted. This topic can be included in the situation, in the topic of property also, accommodation wanted, property sale and purchase. Educational maybe when there is an advertisement from the institutions who are offering tuitions at home, some open big institutions, and they provide different type of tuitions to the teachers in different subjects, so educational, right? And placement services. And then matrimonial. See, matrimonial is very personal job of somebody, but now it has become a public advertisement, you know. And to let means when you need when any accommodation is vacant and it is to be given on rent to somebody, then to let tuitions. So these are the different topics, even packers, movers, canal, travels and tours, and many more advertisements can be the part of your syllabus. But mostly, as per the sequence, I have given you situation vacant, lost and found, sale and purchase, property, vehicle. These topics are generally considered the very important topic in board examination. So let us discuss first of all about the classified advertisements. We shall be discussing this classified, how and which way we can prepare good classified advertisements. So some points I have given you and you will be reading it. So clearly state the category at the top. Like example is given for sale, to let, whatever that question has been given to you. So first of all, we shall be putting up at the top the title of the advertisement, classified. Thereafter, we shall be giving all necessary details in points. Thereafter, contact address, name and telephone number. I tell you, a few advertisements are there where contact is not required, like name change, but most of the advertisements you will see, and contact name, address and telephone number. Without these things, your advertisement is not a complete advertisement, right? So you will not forget, you will see which question you are going to attempt, and if there is any contact name and telephone required or not, and mostly it will be required, right? Put the matter in a box. This is very important. Though thumb rule I have told you, in short composition, चाहे आप नोटिस राइटिंग अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हैं, चाहे एडवर्टाइजमेंट अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हैं, चाहे पोस्टर मेकिंग है, चाहे इन्विटेशन है, सो ऑल दी शॉर्ट कंपोजिशंस आर टू बी पुट इन अ बॉक्स. Box is must. We can also see no design, no block, right? And the language to be factual. Fifth point I am going to discuss. In classified, actually we do not make any design because this is not a display type of advertisement. So language is to be used in a factual manner, means the fact should be put up, because we have also the word limit of 50. In all short compositions we shall be having this limit 50 words only. It should be very simple, formal and to the point. Comprehensive, yet must not leave any important matter. Comprehensive means we shall be using or providing all the information, but in a manner that we should not leave any important matter and wasting or consuming the words, because 50 words would be the limit, and it should not be too lengthy. Already has been, because we are confined to the word limit. So let us discuss first of all situation vacant. Situation vacant. First of all, we should know the difference between situation vacant and situation wanted. Situation vacant means any post is lying vacant anywhere, any institution, any university or any school, any shop, any showroom. It may be any vacant seat, right? And you will be applying for that, right? Situation wanted means you want a situation, means you are suppose unemployed, you are suppose seeking part-time job, suppose you are retired and still you want to work, so you want a job, then the title changes from situation vacant to situation wanted. Why I am discussing these two topics at the same time? Because there is not much difference between the value points of situation vacant and situation wanted. So first point I am going to discuss, specify the post and number of vacancies. So what is the post? If any principal is required, if any teacher is required, right? Any TGT, PGTs, engineers, doctors, whosoever is required, so you will be specifying the post. And how many posts are lying vacant? If there are 2, if there are 3, if there are 4, and how many? So this information is to be provided. Qualities of the person required. This is very natural. Who is going to provide you employment? He would be looking for a qualitative person. So according to the vacancy, whatever the requisite qualification, experience is required, it should be mentioned. यहाँ बच्चे बहुत गलती करते हैं, आप ध्यान देना है. जिस तरीके की भी पोस्ट होती है वैसा ही हमारा एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए. नेचुरली एक डॉक्टर जो है, डॉक्टर की पोस्ट के लिए हमारी क्वालिफिकेशन जो है, इट शुड बी MBBS, MS, MD, दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वालिफिकेशन इज टू बी गिवन, राइट? एंड द एक्सपीरियंस इन द सेम फील्ड. द सेम वे फॉर अ टीचर, सपोज TGT, BSc, BCom plus B.Ed, this type of qualification is required. So don't make mistake when you put up the qualities of the person. Name of the company is very important, though this advertisement can be started from the name of the company only, or at the top when you write or you give the heading, and down there you can start it from the name of the company. But it is not necessary, you can do or not. Age, thereafter we discuss age and sex of the candidate. So age is very important, especially in private sections. They like energetic young people and multi-dimensional people, and who can provide the multiple services. Sex is also important, male or female, because for some posts like receptionist, mostly female candidates are required. So though there is otherwise no difference, men and women all are same, but for some post it is the requirement of the institution, it is the requirement of the organization if they prefer or may not prefer, right? You have demanded so many things from the candidate. Now the company will tell what you are going to pay to the candidates. Suppose a qualitative person is going to apply to your institution or organization, what you are going to pay scale and perks. Perks means other benefits which the company or the organization provide to the person, right? Except pay scale. So usko perks kaha jata hai. Mode of applying, this is very important. In the different type of advertisements, you will see different type of methods are applied. Suppose in situation vacant, you can send your resume, you can send your biodata to the company, and you may be selected or you may be called for interview. There is another mode of applying. You can directly attend interview, and if you are calling the students for interview, definitely you will have to give the date and time and venue, right? So first method, apply through email. Second method, attend interview. And third is very simple, phone call or mobile contact number. By this you can also ask, you can get the information and you can apply. So contact address and phone number I have already told you. So this is a very important, without which your classified advertisement is not complete, right? If you have not given your phone number, your address, so your advertisement is failed. Let us discuss one of the example. You are general manager of IB Software Solutions, Agra, Kent, Agra. You need a software engineer for your organization. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in the Times of India under the classified columns. तो इस क्वेश्चन को देखिए, अभी ये 2010 में आया भी हुआ है. तो एट द टॉप यू सी सिचुएशन वेकेंट. सिचुएशन वेकेंट, द टाइटल इज टू बी गिवन. तो आप लोग चाहें तो टाइटल को कैपिटल लेटर में भी लिख सकते हैं, अदरवाइज दोनों फर्स्ट लेटर जो है वो कैपिटल होंगे, एस और बी. सिचुएशन वेकेंट. देन यू स्टार्ट वांटेड सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर फॉर आईवी सॉफ्टवेयर सॉल्यूशन. आप चाहें तो स्टार्टिंग कंपनी के नेम से भी कर सकते हैं, आईवी सॉफ्टवेयर सॉल्यूशंस वांटेड सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर. इट विल डिपेंड अपॉन योर preference, right? Then a leading name in computers. Candidate should possess, we are talking about the quality, right? Quality of the person you require. Candidate should possess a master degree in computer software programming and at least 3 year experience. तो क्वालिफिकेशन और एक्सपीरियंस ये बड़ा मैटर करेगा सिचुएशन वेकेंट में, राइट? आप लोग ध्यान से, और एक्सपीरियंस सेम फील्ड से होना चाहिए विद अ नोन कंप्यूटर कंसर्न, राइट? रेम्यूनरेशन पे स्केल को कहा जाता है. नो कंस्ट्रेंट मीन्स देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम फॉर द सुटेबल कैंडिडेट वट एवर द पे स्केल दैट पर्सन वुड डिमांड, राइट? So a qualitative person can demand any to what extent he thinks that he is liable to get the salary from the company. तो remuneration एक तरीके का पे स्केल और perks का जो हमने पॉइंट डिस्कस किया था, that is called remuneration. So apply with detailed resume within 10 days to general manager. IB Software Solutions, Agra, Kent, Agra. So contact name, address is given, and the mode of applying. Detailed resume is to be sent to general manager, right? So this way a beautiful advertisement on the topic situation vacant can be prepared. So my dear students, we shall be also discussing the other type of advertisements in our next class. Till now you will be practicing from your own sources the same question, situation vacant and situation wanted also. Thank you students, God bless you.